Guys, this is Crypto Airdropper. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the Lazio fan token ICO, which will be taking place on the Binance Launchpad. So Lazio fan token is a new cryptocurrency token. Okay, it's not new actually. It's been around for a while, but it will be launching, or it will be introduced or listed on Binance. And normally, before Binance does that, they usually run an ICO, which is initial coin offering, where they give some of the users a chance to own the token before official listing on Binance. Okay, so of recently there was an ICO that took place, okay, called Beta Finance. So a lot of you might have heard about it and might have jumped on the opportunity to make a lot of profit from it. Okay, so Beta Finance was also an ICO that was just concluded of recently. Okay, it's basically a token that gives permissionless money market for lending, borrowing and short selling crypto. Okay, it's more of like an IDO, that's a decentralized exchange token. Okay, so beta finance was a huge success. Okay, for those that joined, they were able to make at least 40% profit from the IDO. Okay, so what I'm talking about is, let's check out beta finance for example. Okay, so sorry about this. So let's check out beta finance. Let's search for beta. So after the okay, so beta, as you can see, this is the price chart for the beta to USDT trade pair on Binance. Okay, so beta finance was sold at about $0.06 when at the ICO. Okay, so after it was listed, it went as high as $4.75. So just imagine those that were able to buy at this level after token distribution, they were able to make at least 40% profit or more. Okay, just imagine you bought maybe $100 worth of this token at 0.06. Okay, let's do the maths. Okay, so let's say you bought maybe $100 worth of it at $0.06. Okay, so it's $100. To if one is 0.06, so 100 will be 0.06. Okay, so let's say you got 1666 tokens of it and you were able to sell it when it was 4.7. Okay, this is basically how much profit you would have made from that exchange. Let's say maybe you even sold it at this price, this is still good enough. Okay, so that's the thing about ICOs and IDOs, where you get to buy a token cheaper and you sell at higher price. Okay, so that's what this is about, and we've seen a lot of this with a lot of tokens on Binance. Because for those of you that joined beta finance, I know a lot of you guys made profit, and for those of you that also did coin 98 was sold at about $1 each. Okay, but after its launch it went as high as $3 in less than 2 hours or so. And this is another opportunity to make a lot of money from the Binance Launchpad. Okay, and it's with this token, the Lazio fan token. Okay, so the Lazio fan token is a token based on the Italian football club SS Lazio, which plays in the Serie A and have spent most of their history in the top tier of the Italian football. Okay, so they have their social channels on Telegram, Twitter and Medium. You can come over here to check it out. Okay, so subscription period starts in about 6 days, 11 hours and 35 minutes. Okay, so before I start explaining how you can join this this ICO, okay, let me so before we get into how you can join that, so this is Crypto Airdropper. Okay, I know a lot of you already know me. This is Crypto Airdropper. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, I make videos about cryptocurrency, and in my last video I showed you or a payment proof of about 102,000 PHT coins that I received from a free coin mining app. Okay, and I also showed you guys how you can get started and how you can also be mining and earning free PHT coins using the app. I explained all the steps in this video, so if you've not seen it, make sure you check it out right now. Okay, and if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it to turn on notification, so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you immediately. Okay, and also make sure you hit that like button, because it basically takes less than a second for you to do so. So you can just do that right now. Okay, just hit that like button to show some love for what I do. Okay, so let's get back to what we were discussing about. So Lazio fan token, like I mentioned before, we have only about 6 days, 11 hours and 33 minutes before the subscription is live. Okay, so basically what happens is, there are basically to 4 steps, 3 steps before the final token distribution time on the launchpad, and this all happens on the same day. Okay, first, the holding calculation period that started on the 14th. Okay, that is today. Okay, so basically, to participate in this ICO, you need to have BNB. You need to be holding BNB on your account. What this means is you need to um sorry so what that means is you need to have bought BNB, and you need to be holding BNB on your spot account. Okay, that is, you've bought BNB IB on Binance, and you have it in your spot account. So, and you need to hold this for at least 7 days for you to be eligible to join the launchpad. Okay, so after holding it for 7 days, so after the 7 days, the subscription period will start, which is in about 6 days now. On the subscription period, or on the subscription day, you can just subscribe. Okay, that is, you need to commit some BNB. Okay, so basically how that works is they'll give you an average or a limit of how much BNB you can commit. Okay, so the trick behind this is, the more BNB you have on your spot account, the more your commitment limit will be. Okay, because the higher your commitment level, the more tokens you'll be able to get. Okay, so on the subscription period will last for only about 4 hours. Okay, after the subscription period, the calculation period will start on the same day. They will calculate the amount of tokens you get, and after an hour, distribution will start. Okay, so after the distribution of the token will be listed, and the trick behind it is for you to make sure you sell your tokens the day it is listed. Don't hold it for too long, because eventually, um because a lot of people, once it's listed, they will be buying the token, and this will cause an influx in the price. That's an increase in the price. However, the token will eventually come down in price, because it will need to become stable once more. That is, after the holders start selling off, the price will fall. Okay, the trick here is for you to make sure you sell once it's listed. Okay, after you've made some profit, you sell it off, and once it start dipping, if you want to buy the token, you can just buy it again, because if you say you just hold it, you might not make a lot of profit from it. Okay, so there will basically be sharing a hard cap of about 4 million USD. That is about 4 million Lazio tokens, because the public sale token price, that's the ICO token price, they'll be selling at 1 USD. And if we're lucky enough to get a 50% increase, or maybe 100% increase, we'll be seeing a massive increase in the price. Just take beta finance for example. Okay, the beta finance, not percent actually, 40 times increase, or 100 times increase. Now take beta finance for example, we're able to see over 40 times increase on beta finance. And if you're lucky enough on this token, from 1 USD might rise as high as maybe 10 USD, which is about 10 times increase, or even more. We might be looking at maybe 20 times or 50 times increase with this token. Okay, so make sure you don't miss this ICO. Okay, and for those of you that might not be eligible for this token, I'll also be telling you guys how you can benefit from this. Okay, now and I'll be using beta finance as an example. So, let's search for beta one more time. Okay, now let's say for example you are not privileged to join the ICO, okay, on the Launchpad. Basically, what you need to do is, because you already know the time this token will be launched, make sure you're ready and you're on the app during the launch, and try as much as possible to buy the token after it's listed. Immediately it's listed, try to buy the token at this price. Okay, even if you buy it at this price, it's still not bad, but make sure you buy it after it's listed, before the price pumps. Okay, because once you buy it, and there won't be a limit to how much you can buy then, because there won't be an allocation. It will just depend on the total capital you have on your account. Once you make your purchase at this level and the token pumps to this level, you can still make profit. Okay, let's say maybe it's listed at $1, okay, and you were able to buy $100 worth, which is how many you'll be able to buy about 100 of these tokens. And luckily for us, that $1, maybe it increased to 1,000 to $10, and you already have 100 of these tokens, which means you have how much? That's about $1,000. Okay, or maybe you were fortunate enough to maybe buy 200 of these tokens or so. So just imagine, the more you buy, and at the high the amount you sell, the more profit you will make from this launch. Okay, so this is the easiest way you can make a lot of money from Binance. The trick behind it is, make sure you do not miss the day it will be listed on Binance, and make sure you have funds ready to jump on it once it's listed, so that you make a lot of profit from it. Okay guys, so that's basically all I have for you today. If you like what I'm doing, if you like the updates, and if you want to receive more updates, please do encourage me by dropping a like for this video. And if you have any question or any suggestions, also feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Okay, and I'll be giving out about $10 worth of Tron. Okay, I'll be giving out $10 worth of Tron to the I'll be selecting randomly. Okay, I'll be selecting randomly from the comment section. So to be eligible for this giveaway, okay, $10 worth of Tron giveaway, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, you subscribe to my channel, you've liked this video, and all you have to do is drop a comment in the description of this video. Okay, just drop a comment, and tomorrow by this time, okay, tomorrow by this time, hopefully I'll be making a video announcing the winner of the giveaway, and I'll be replying the person to get their Tron wallet address, so that I'll be able to send $10 worth of Tron to that person. So it's very easy to be eligible for this giveaway. You must be subscribed to my channel, you must like this video, and you must share it with your friends and family. Okay, so because before I send it to you, after you're selected, I will ask you for proof of this. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, you like it, you turn on notification, and you share this video with your friends and family. Okay, so feel free to comment in the just drop a comment. Okay, you can write anything, it doesn't matter. I'll be selecting randomly. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you want me to be doing giveaways frequently on my YouTube, you can just comment in the description below. Okay, and I'll look into it. So thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.